this thing, dry cough for 24 years.
24 years.
24 years. So I was even begging her, buy this. She said she cannot spend her money. I said, yeah, take it free. Go and take it.
Take it free.
Yes, I gave it to her.
That's the investment, though.
Yes. When she drank it, the next day, the next morning, she just ran. He said, you know, I slept today very, very well. Hi, you are God sent to. She was just begging me, just
praying
crying,
for you.
praying for me. I said, don't worry. You will see how your body will be. So as from that moment, the woman drank that one for that week. The next week, she came and bought. She bought, and the cough went. So
Cough
they
of
call me
24
doctor.
years.
So many people are